Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Duarte, local, and long-distance movers near me. If you're trying to take the worry out of your move, our professional movers can help make your long-distance move simpler. Choosing our crew to assist you means your cross-country relocation is going to go effortlessly. The best moving services make all the difference, and our staff offers just what you require for your upcoming move. Working with us provides you access to all of the necessary moving services, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. If you want to work with a California moving company, rationalizing the expense can seem to be challenging. A local moving company delivers many benefits, which can make it well worth the cost. You are definitely going to save time with your local relocation when you hire a moving company. Movers can also assure that you don't need to manage any of the heavy lifting. Our crew of expert movers will ensure that your move is very efficient. If you would like a streamlined moving day, 3 movers is the proper option for you. Even though your move is large enough that it would take you all week, we can get it done in less than 1 day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Duarte moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.